thankful for my mother, for every sacrifice she made, for the gentle hands that held me, and the prayers she always prayed. I'm thankful for my grandmother, for the warmth inside her smile. She taught me love is patient, and grace can travel miles. I'm thankful, so thankful for every blessing in my life, for the people you've surrounded me with, the love that never leaves my side. But most of all, I'm thankful, Jesus, for everything you've carried me through. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm thankful for the childhood friends who walked with me through the years,